Om Namaha Shivaya. Here is an unbelievable collection of conch from Indian Ocean. This conch you can see the clear face of Lord Shiva and naturally warm. See, you can see an image here. It is here two eyes, nose and mouth. A clear image of Lord Shiva face. And when you closely follow these two symbols, it will look like a naturally warm. Unimaginable collection from Indian Ocean. Lord Shiva face in the conch. Om Namah Shivaya. Om Namah Shivaya. Om Namah Shivaya. It is totally unbelievable. So it's a collection grade conch. Beautiful pattern backside. Beautiful dots. It's a beautiful collection conch from Indian Ocean with natural image of Lord Shiva face and naturally warm on this conch. You can see here, this is a two eyes and nose, mouth of Lord Shiva. You can see clearly face of Lord Shiva and very clear warm, very clear warm. Unimaginable collection from Indian Ocean. Om Namah Shivaya. Om Namah Shivaya. Om.